Don't worry about a thing.
Three Little Birds by Bob Marley.
Yes! You can tell by the strumming.
I actually thought that song was written specifically about me and my experience with Three Little Birds that were outside my doorstep.
What happened there?
Well, they just woke me up, really annoyed me. So I managed to twat two of them with a frying pan, but one got away.
Two birds, one frying pan?
Ah, name of a great film.
Yeah.
If anyone wants to write a song about that, then I'd love to hear it.
I've got one.
Go on.
Two birds, one frying pan.
Sitting on my doorstep.
It got away.
You shit.
Bastard.